Hi, my name is Gary Hudgins, and today I'll be talking to you about tips in Dr. White's Speech 1101. She gives us tips on how to communicate efficiently with our professor this semester. She does this by giving us tips on clarity of communication and how to email our professor. Clarity of communication. She talks to us about that she is going to be very straight to the point with any assignments or anything that she may say to us, meaning that she is going to be very brief to the point and try to leave as minimal questions that she possibly can in anything that she assigns to us. She also wants us to do this in return. If we have any questions about assignments or anything that she is telling us, we need to try to communicate with her very, very simple and be very brief to the point as well. Meaning, if we have a question about anything, we just need to get to the question and try not to have too much excess in our question. She also talks to us about over analyzing our assignments. We do not need to think too much into what she's trying to tell us and try to get too tied up into anything. Um, she wants us to know that to kind of take it for what it is, and if she tells us an assignment is canceled, then we don't need to email her asking to make sure if the assignment is canceled. She also talks to us about not emailing anyone else in our class to find out if to ask any questions or anything from anyone else. She wants us to do this strictly with her and to avoid class problems or confusing anyone else. She also talks to us about emailing on how to email her. She doesn't want us to use any profanity or to be rude with her at all. She wants us to be very respectful and cordial in anything that we say or any questions that we have with her. She also doesn't want us using any text language at all, meaning we don't need to ask her to we don't need to ask her or use any text language at all with her saying yo what's up or WBU or anything like that when emailing her. We also don't need to use any slang terms at all with her. We need to try to be very respectful and formal when emailing with her. And if we do not abide by these terms at all, then she will be sending our email to the dean. And she also talks to us about contacting her. We are free to email her, and she checks her emails 3 times a day. And also with call, she is very good about answering calls. She gives us a number to call in there, and we are allowed to contact her if we don't have a response within 24 hours. So these are the things that she gives us tips on how to communicate with her, and I believe if we follow these, it'll be very easy and very to the point on how to communicate and with her communicating with us. But thank you very much.